Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Asteroid OG token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Asteroid is a community-driven meme token on the Ethereum blockchain, uniquely defined by an emotional, real-world narrative tied to space exploration and a young girl's legacy. Emotional core. Its identity is built around the true story of Lip Preto, a cancer patient who designed a Shiba Inu toy that flew on a SpaceX mission. Pure meme token, it operates as a social-driven asset with value primarily fueled by community sentiment and viral trends rather than technical utility. Ethereum based, the original token launched on the Ethereum network and has secured formal intellectual property licenses. Asteroid project institution rating is 3.5. Asteroid token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion asteroid token. Asteroid token is listed on MEXL Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.